Hello there YouTubers, welcome back to my channel, Workshop Fun. Just like to post an update today about my lathe stand. It's now complete. It has taken me 2.5 weeks to build, and that's using every evening and a lot of the time in the weekends. It's been a pretty intense project because it has to be extremely level, extremely strong, and really hard to move. So this stand here is built out of all wood. I glued and screwed the wood together so nothing could ever move, and the top is 2 inches thick, and it's actually made out of 2 pieces of particle board glued together, and then it is painted with enamel. It had 3 coats of enamel and then 3 coats of acrylic water-based paint. The black water-based paint is that's the water-based paint. So the MDF top had the enamel and the backing board, because that's MDF as well. I think it's MDF or particle board. And the rest of it was all treated wood, so it just had a coat of acrylic. Underneath here, not only has it got the 2 inches of particle board, so 2 pieces of 1 inch particle board laminated together, it has also been ribbed. I've put in 3 ribs, and on the sides, as you can see, everywhere between the ribs are big blocks. So that was all painted with enamel and acrylic paint underneath as well, the same amount of coats, so 6 coats in total. Then with the 4x2 wood, I ran that through my table saw to cut it down to 4x2, and that was all treated wood, ground treated, or H2 or H3. It's ground treated anyway. You can use it in the ground, so this will pretty much never rot. What we did after that, for the metal chips, I bought this lino. It's a trick that I got from my grandfather actually, and by the time the metal chips hit the lino, they're cold enough that they don't melt the lino or anything, and it just means that the chips ain't damaging the bench at all. So there's no damage to the bench from those chips, which is fantastic. And I put a backing on the stand, and that's built out of a piece of inch thick plywood that's also treated. What I did with that is I put that on the back and then put the lino, as you can see, right up and over it, and I deliberately curved the lino a little bit, so when you sweep the metal chips off the lathe, they sweep into the back and then just run straight down, where you can turn around and sweep them up into a shovel and put them in the rubbish bag. I actually used the lathe today and christened it, and I made this little handle here for my drill press. It was missing, and that's the little centering handle for the table. It puts it in the center, or the 0 position, and it also ensures that if for some reason you're using a lot of force, which you shouldn't be really, the table doesn't go off center while you're drilling. So that's brilliant. It's great having the lathe to do that. Also, I organised all my tooling today underneath there, and then turn around and sort it out how I'd like everything to be laid out, so I can just quickly grab it and then quickly put it back. That was all done. So yeah, it's been a fantastic little project, and it's finally finished. Thank you very much for watching. If you like, please hit the subscribe, and Also, if you wish, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you.